What is your sickness for?
They say I'm having cholesterol and typhoid.
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
Waiting be cholesterol.
I don't know.
Run. Run where? I don't understand.
Cholesterol.
Oh, see, run. Where the lawn enter to your case? That is cholesterol.
Yes, sir.
Cholesterol.
Yes, sir.
You know, I'm a man of high voluminous of, English. I am too graduated.
Yes, sir.
But say cholesterol. Overall run. Amen. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Before you added another sickness to the word, devil, they hear when you say run or put your reg in learning. That is madness.